In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to start by opening settings and choosing connections. Now tap on more connection settings at the bottom and select printing. After that, click on the footprint service right away and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher. Then click on the back button and select Download Plugin. Now just install the best service for you, in my case HP1. When your app is ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!